Superfood Evolution presents Lion's Mane Mushroom, superfood for the brain and nervous system. Lion's mane mushroom, Hericium erinaceus, is an immune-enhancing medicinal species that has become particularly well known in the last several decades for its health-supporting effects on the brain and nervous system. The subject of much scientific analysis, its specific neuroprotective attributes have been shown to far supersede any other edible variety known today. Not exactly your typical cap and stem-looking mushroom, lion's mane has distinctive white cascading tendrils that, as the name implies, somewhat resemble the mane of a lion. Usually dangling in a single clump on wild hardwood trees, it is indigenous to Eastern Asia, Europe, as well as North America. In Japan, it goes by the name Yamabu shiitake, and in China it is called Ho Tao Gu, which translates monkey head mushroom. Other English names include hedgehog, bearded tooth, and pom-pom mushroom. Although lion's mane is a popular culinary gourmet variety when prepared from white, fresh, or rusty cream-colored dried mushrooms, it is most effective for therapeutic use when consumed as a supplement concentrate, either as an activated heat-treated powder or liquid extract. These bulk or encapsulated powders and liquid solutions are made from either or both the fruiting body as well as the fungal mycelium, the potent white root-like threads. Heat treatment or activation of these components is necessary to improve bioavailability and inherent health-enhancing qualities. This is a type of heat processing that uses steam or other hot water treatments to break down the tough cell walls that inhibit its complete digestibility. While lion's mane is also renowned for its beta-glucan, immune-modulating properties, and benefits to the digestive tract, in this video we primarily focus on its unique and potent effects as a neurotrophic and nootropic superfood. Top brain-boosting benefits of lion's mane. Neurotrophic properties shown to stimulate nerve growth factor. Lion's mane mushroom is considered one of the best natural dietary supplements that you can take for nerve regeneration, as it serves as a neurotrophic substance helping to regulate growth and the proliferation of new neurons or nerve cells. This is primarily due to a number of constituents, especially the lion's mane specific compounds hiracinones and erinacines, which have been demonstrated to stimulate what is referred to as nerve growth factor, or NGF. The stimulation of nerve growth factor promotes the secretion of small, protein neuropeptide molecules that nourish the neurons, inducing their maintenance, development, and survival rate. Acting as neurotrophins, these components are found to greatly encourage the restoration and performance capabilities of the brain and nervous system. First studies on lion's mane mushroom and NGF. Lion's mane was first identified in the 1990s by Japanese researcher Hirokazu Kawagishi for its ability to improve nerve regeneration by stimulating nerve growth factor synthesis. The two studies published in 1991 and 1994 show both hiracinones C, D, and E, as well as erinacines A, B, and C to be the primary compounds responsible. Since this time, numerous other studies have been published on Hericium erinaceus species and the mushroom extract's ability to enhance NGF, an effect which is often correlated with the reduced risk of age-related neurodegenerative diseases. More research on lion's mane promotes NGF and nerve regeneration. One earlier study demonstrated that lion's mane extract was the only medicinal mushroom out of a total of 5 species that promoted NGF mRNA expression in a concentration-dependent manner in human astrocytoma cells. The mushroom powder was additionally, over a 7-day period, able to produce an increase in NGF mRNA expression in the hippocampus of mice. In a 2017 study, Hericium erinaceus was again shown to support evidence of its boosting influence on neuronal functions, primarily impacting the hippocampus region of the brain and stimulating an improvement in learning and memory of wild rats tested. In other reports, both published in the International Journal of Medicinal Mushrooms, lion's mane extract was identified to induce NGF synthesis and enhance neurite outgrowth, new neuron projections, as well as regenerate damaged cells from peripheral nerve injury or peripheral neuropathy. This is a condition which affects the fragile peripheral nerves located between the brain and spinal cord that influence the brain's capacity to communicate with the organs and muscles. This effect was also demonstrated again in the 2016 study documented in the Chinese Journal of Integrated Medicine entitled Hericium erinaceus, a medicinal mushroom, activates peripheral nerve regeneration. Potential benefits for neurodegenerative diseases. In the 2008 article published in Drugs of the Future entitled Compounds for Dementia from Hericium erinaceum by original researcher Hirokazu Kawagishi, it was concluded that overall, it appears that H. erinaceum may have great potential as a medicine or dietary supplement for dementia, especially AD. However, further studies on its mechanism of action and more extensive clinical trials are clearly needed to substantiate the positive results seen so far. Other subsequent research continues to confirm the neuroprotective effects and nerve growth properties of lion's mane mycelium and fruiting bodies, and their potential usefulness in the prevention of dementia and conditions such as Parkinson's and Alzheimer's disease. Nootropic mushroom, memory, and mood booster. Out of all the medicinal mushroom varieties, lion's mane is the top one recommended not only for its positive impact on the nervous system, but also for its ability to enhance cerebral performance. Considered a natural nootropic substance, it has been shown to help improve cognitive brain functions, including memory, focus, and decision-making. Lion's mane mushroom and its effectiveness in treating mild cognitive impairment was tested on a group of human subjects who were given 4 250 milligram tablets containing 96% of Yamabushitake dry powder 3 times a day for 16 weeks. Results revealed significantly increased scores on the cognitive function scale compared with the placebo group. Another added bonus to taking activated and heat-processed lion's mane concentrates and supplements is that they have been shown to boost one's mood, increasing positive mental states with potential effects at reducing depression and anxiety. For a list of our favorite organic and/or quality lion's mane brands, please visit the link in this video. How to use. For therapeutic use, we personally use a full-spectrum product or a combination of different supplements so as to consume both the activated mycelium as well as the heat-treated fruiting body. The benefits of dietary supplementation with the mushroom is of course best when used in conjunction with a healthy diet and a balanced but active daily life. Keep in mind that you can also grow your own lion's mane mushroom at home from purchased online growing kits. This is a very fun way to experience this beautiful mushroom species. Bulk activated powdered mycelium and/or fruiting body extracts make a great addition to teas or can be simply added to hot water. Dried mushrooms can similarly be simmered as a tea decoction. For ritual caffeine drinkers, adding medicinal mushroom powders like lion's mane to coffee is becoming another increasingly popular way to consume their benefits. While fresh lion's mane has a mild, seafood-like taste, similar to lobster or shrimp, powders do not have a strong flavor and camouflage well into sweetened drinks and beverages. Dried mushrooms or powders can likewise be added to soups, stews, and grains, or incorporated creatively into desserts or recipes. Lion's mane mushroom dosage. Dosage amounts vary according to specific products and their concentration ratios. It is best to read labels and take the recommended dosage advised. For those seeking to achieve maximum effectiveness from powdered extracts and concentrated supplements, it is important to remember that continued regular use is essential. Research has shown that nootropic properties tend to wear off after a week or two when intake is stopped. Precautions. While medicinal mushrooms are generally considered very safe with long-term use, it is important to seek the advice of your medical physician before taking lion's mane mushroom as a dietary supplement if you have seizures, have been diagnosed with some form of epilepsy, or have a serious health condition. Thanks for watching. For additional information and sources of the best lion's mane we have experienced, be sure and check the links in the description box below this video. Please like, share, and give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful. And be sure and check out these other informative videos.